I'm jealous.
Oh, that's great.
It's got fur on it. This one's frozen.
Get Max.
Wow.
We're down to about 5 pounds already.
That's amazing.
Oh my
It's all
god.
wolfing down your food.
Abe!
Yeah.
What?
Can't keep up with it.
You can't eat his fat?
Uh-uh.
He's trying before he come up. This wrong with the guy.
Wait for you guys. That's like my little brother in our family. Alright, that's why you're a little brother.
Oh, yeah, you can see Abe trying so hard.
Well, he's a lot dog too, so it's
Yeah.
gonna
Like,
take
it makes
him longer.
sense, but it's just kind of sad to watch it. He's like, yeah.
I don't want to.
Wow. That's what the heck.
Oh my god. Oh!
You tell him, Abe, that's right. So hard to be the boss when you're little.
Oh!
You are done eating, Jeb?
Get out of you eat that piece, that's mine.
Sorry, you cut it.
Yeah, Abe, when I put the frozen one.
Wow.
Can you guys see Zeb's belly already?
Wow.
Cool. Whoa.
Now, if I brought another bucket the same size in, they would eat the entire bucket. And they would be so stuffed. They would be so miserable. And if I brought in a third bucket, they would, like, I have to eat it. It might never get fed again. And it actually gets them stressed out to where they'll go and bury the meat and sit on top of it because they can't eat it. But they're afraid to let anybody else eat it because they might never eat again. And there goes 30 pounds of meat in just a few minutes.
Lovely.
See on that blood spot and say, that's my spot.